Ingredients Online is the global marketplace for buyers and sellers of raw ingredients. Thousands of supply chain members buy and sell their products on this robust e-commerce platform. Sourcing ingredients can be a challenge for supply chain members, with lack of access to pricing information, factory transparent QC documents, and strong post-sale support. When it's time to purchase, juggling several suppliers at once can be difficult. At Ingredients Online, buyers can find tier pricing on listings and easily access QC documents before purchasing, as well as track purchases and documentation from multiple suppliers in one online location. Every customer is also assigned an account representative for support. Buyers can find thousands of ingredients because of our wide variety of global sellers. Our sellers choose to sell online for many reasons. Some are looking for a new sales channel with an established customer base. Others use the marketplace to promote their branded ingredients or to launch a new brand in the North American market. Whether you're a buyer or a seller, you'll be doing better business if you can find the right marketplace. Ingredients Online provides an efficient, transparent destination for raw ingredient e-commerce business. Visit the global e-commerce marketplace and get started today.